Hey guys, what's going on? Company called Tiller&Hatch. Here we go. Just sent me a box of meals to review. This is the unboxing. They specialize in meals for pressure cookers. You give all different types of healthy meals and options. So we're going to see what they have. Okay. These are 40-ounce family-size pressure cooker meals. 9 minutes. This is chicken tortilla stew with black beans, red pepper, and corn. It's also 40 ounces, 8 minutes. This is Mexican-style minestrone soup with meatballs. We have, this one's 11 minutes, 38 ounces. For falafel pasta with marinara and ground turkey. This one is 8 minutes, 40 ounces. Coconut curry stew with chicken, vegetables, and rice. This one is also 40 ounces, 11 minutes. Santa Fe inspired pasta with chicken breast. Next one up is 40 ounces, 8 minutes. Italian style stew with chicken. .38-ounce family size, 11 minutes. Falafel with Marcella's sauce and chicken. And finally, we have 38 ounces, 11 minutes, falafel pasta with marinara and ground turkey. There we go. These are the next few meals that we're going to be making. Stay tuned for reviews. Always happy.